I'm Emery. You're watching DataViz on the Go, the series where you learn DataViz time savers inside everyday software like Excel. And in this video, I want to show you something really cool that Excel can do, and it's this. Interactive dashboards in Excel. This is pretend data, but based on the way that YouTube exports channel data about the dates and the number of views. I'm pretending that this creator or company has 3 different YouTube channels, so they can create one aggregate view, or they can drill down and just look at their backyard gardening channel or their cooking channel or just their DataViz on the Go channel. Sometimes people think that interactive dashboards are going to be really complicated, but I promise you it is just 4 pieces all linked together. You need a single contiguous data set, a pivot table, a pivot chart, a slicer, and then you loop back around and you create another pivot table, another pivot chart, link that to the existing slicer, and loop back around and around as many times as you need to. One pivot table for each of your charts. So here is piece 1, the data set. I've got the raw data over here in black, and then I've got the cleaned and recoded data over here in red. For example, if you'd want to graph how many views you got by weekday, then you need to think backwards and create columns for that in your data set. For example, you'd have to turn the date into a weekday number. 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, etc. And then turn that into days with either an if or a VLOOKUP. Now, I do sometimes have a step 1.5 where I might have lookup tables to make the VLOOKUPs or XLOOKUPs even easier, but that's a tutorial for another day. All right, step 2 is you'd have pivot tables, one pivot table per graph. Here's one with views by month. Here's one with views by day, and so on. Step 3 is you'd click on your pivot tables and you'd add a chart. And then step 4 is you click on your chart and you add this slicer. And then you loop back around through this cycle as many times as you need to. Interactive dashboards should be pretty fast and pretty easy. You should be able to make something like this within like half a day max, even if you're a beginner. And I'd say advanced users should be able to crank something like this out in an hour or less. If you've got how-to questions, let me know because I am glad to pass on as many time savings as possible to you.